Okay, before we fold that front bed section out, we're going to get up there and undo the tropical roof. It's one of those things you probably really want to set up all the time. You get to camp, the weather's really nice, however you don't know what the weather is going to do, so I'd say 99% of the time get that tropical awning out, and it really is pretty simple. Okay, so we'll just lay him up there for the minute. We'll get that bed out. Grab the stiffening poles now. We'll use those to hold the bed end up. Now it's time to get the tropical roof down, and then we'll finish putting all the stiffening poles in. One last step to setting up that front bed end is to get inside and push the extension poles up. Handy tip is to actually have the insides of these windows undone before you pack the camper up, because then you can simply reach inside, push those up before you even go inside the van. That means the inside of your van is more or less fully set up. Walk around and push the other side up, we're done.